Today, I'm going to walk you through our debt calculator. There's three sections. The first section allows you to enter in your current information, your loan amount, what's the interest rate, how much are you sending every single month, and it will tell you when you will have a zero balance. The next section allows you to adjust your monthly payment. So you can see if I increase or decrease my monthly payment, what is the impact of that on how long it'll take me to pay back my loan and on the interest that I will pay. The last section allows you to start with the end goal in mind. So let's say you have a goal to pay off your loan in 2 years. Based on that, how much does your monthly payment need to be? And it will calculate that for you and allow you to see how much interest you're paying and overall how much interest you will save by being so aggressive. So let's start with the first section. This is just to see where you are and how long it'll take you to pay off your loan based off of what you are currently doing today. So let's say your loan amount $6,200 and your annual percentage rate, also known as the APR, is 24%. And today you're making monthly payments of $150. Based on that, you would have a zero balance by May 2029. So it will take you almost 7.5 years to pay back this loan. And in addition to that, you're going to pay almost $11,000 in interest alone. So that means that in addition to the $6,200, you're going to give the creditor an additional almost $11,000 to pay back this loan if it takes you this long to pay it back. So the original loan was $6,200, but you're going to pay back close to $17,000 for this loan. Okay. So if 7.5 years is too long, we want to see what's the impact of adding a little bit more to your monthly payment. So we want our monthly payment to go up to $300. So we're going to add $150 to the original monthly payments for a total of $300. This tells us that by doubling our monthly payment, we can have a zero balance by April 2024. So we shed off 5 years by doubling our monthly payment. And instead of a little over 7 years to pay off our loan, it's going to take us 2.2 years. And the interest that we are paying has been reduced to $3,300 versus that 11,000, almost $11,000 that we were paying originally. So you're saving $7,600 in interest. And the last section, okay, so 2.2 years, okay, that's cool, April 2024. But I have goals, I have big goals, and I want to pay my loan off in 1.5 years. So I want to be debt free by July 2023. Well, in order to do that, my monthly payment would have to be $414. And that's what this is saying. And my interest that I would pay would be 2232, and I would save almost $9,000 in interest compared to my original plan. So there's a lot of numbers on here, but you only have to update a few depending on what you're trying to do. And you update the gray cells only. Again, the first section allows you to see based on what you're currently doing when you will have a zero balance. So you enter in your current loan balance, your annual percentage rate, and the monthly payment that you're sending. And it will tell you when you will have a zero balance on that particular loan. The next section, all you have to enter is how much you want to adjust your monthly payment by. And you can enter in a positive or a negative number because it adds that information to your original loan amount. And so in this example, I doubled my monthly payment. So instead of $150, I'm sending $300. And therefore, it tells me that I will have a zero balance by April 2024 versus May 2029. And it actually calculates how much interest I will pay and how much interest I am saving versus what I'm currently doing. And then the last section, again, has the end goal in mind. So if you're targeting to become debt free in a year and a half versus the 7 year projection that you're currently on, then you can put in a year and a half. Or if you want to be even more aggressive and put in 1 year, it'll tell you how much your monthly payment needs to be in order to achieve that goal.